In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share PowerPoint slides in Microsoft Teams, making your presentations more interactive and engaging for your audience. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft Teams account. Opening your browser, go ahead and navigate to the Teams website. Here, you'll find the sign in button. Make sure you enter your credentials correctly, as a smooth login process will help set the foundation right for the steps to come. Once you're logged in, you'll be looking at the main Teams interface. Now look for the video icon, usually situated toward the upper right corner of the interface. Clicking this icon will open up options for starting a new meeting or call. This is essential because you need to be in a meeting to share your slides effectively. Let's click on the video icon and proceed to the next step. Now that we have the video options open, click on Start Meeting. Doing this will launch a new meeting window. Often Teams will ask for permissions to use your microphone and camera, which is crucial, especially if you're planning on leading a live presentation. Just make sure everything is set up correctly so you're ready to present. With the meeting up and running, you'll notice a range of controls at the bottom of your screen. These controls are your toolbox for engaging with your participants. What we're interested in is the Share button. Go ahead and click on it. This button is crucial because it allows you to share various content with your meeting attendees, making your presentation visually accessible to everyone involved. After you click on Share, several options will appear for you to decide what part of your device's screen you'd like to broadcast. You'll see choices like entire screen, specific window, or individual Chrome tabs. For sharing PowerPoint slides, you can choose between sharing your entire screen, which can be helpful if you plan to switch between different applications during your presentation, or share just the window where your PowerPoint slides are open if you want to focus solely on them. Now we've come to the final part. If you've chosen to share your entire screen, simply select the screen you'd like to share and then navigate to your PowerPoint slides. If you've opted to share just the PowerPoint window, click on it from the options provided. This way your audience will only see what's happening in your PowerPoint, keeping distractions to a minimum. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively share your PowerPoint slides in Microsoft Teams, providing a professional and smooth presentation experience for all your participants. Remember, clear presentation sharing is key to hosting successful meetings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy presenting!